LogoMakr review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll dive into the LogoMakr, a popular online logo creation tool designed for businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs who need professional-looking logos without the high costs of hiring a designer. Links to the product are available in the description below if you'd like to check it out. LogoMakr stands out for its simple interface and ease of use, allowing anyone to design a logo without needing any graphic design experience. With a vast library of fonts, icons, and customizable templates, users can quickly create logos tailored to their brand. You can adjust colors, sizes, and text, and even upload your own images for a fully personalized touch. This tool is ideal for small business owners, content creators, freelancers, or anyone who needs a quick logo solution. Whether you're launching a new business or rebranding an existing one, LogoMakr provides a fast and affordable option for building a unique brand identity. One of the best features is the ability to download a basic version of your logo for free. However, for high-resolution files or to use the logo for commercial purposes, you will need to purchase the premium version. This pricing model makes LogoMakr a great choice if you're on a tight budget but still want a professional result. Another important thing to note is the platform's user-friendly design. It's not overly complicated and doesn't require any steep learning curve, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical skill. While it may not have all the advanced features of high-end design software, it does an excellent job for basic to intermediate logo needs. In conclusion, LogoMakr is a solid option for those looking to create a logo quickly and affordably. It's ideal for businesses and individuals who need a simple, professional design tool without the high costs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more useful reviews. Thanks for watching.